Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Business Innovation Summit 2022. My name is Gazi Yar Mohammed. I'm co-founder and CEO of Dana Fintech. In this session, I'll try to cover a new trending arena that's called Buy Now Pay Later, and I'll try to showcase a few areas how this can open up the new opportunities for marketplaces, digital wallets, and lenders. So without further ado, let's go to the presentation. Here you go. Buy now, pay later is a new opportunities for marketplaces, brands, and fintech to offer embedded finance. So that's the topic, and this is where we want to put few lights and focus over. And buy now, pay later is nothing but an actually installment demand payment facility, and it actually enables customers to purchase their desired products on the fly and pay the product price over time. If we look into the fintech trend of 2021, and if you look back, we can easily understand that how this buy now pay later has been adopted by different markets and the different consumers. And we have seen 87% of the BNPL customers were very loyal, and it enhanced the conversion rate by 44%. And more 43% customers say they are interested to avail this pay later actually availability in the way they shop. Interesting. So buy now pay later last year hit the $100 billion mark. So that's pretty big. And the reasons, millions of shoppers are using it every day. As I said, it offers our installment-driven payment options. Simply, if somebody buys a product of $100 worth, so customer is paying this $100 in 4 equal installments, and sometimes without any fee and interest. So if you look into the global e-commerce payment method of 2021, if you review it, you can see digital wallet top the place, just beat the card payment, and it's also expected to grow further by 2025. And you can see buy now pay later took 3% stage in the entire e-commerce payment method. And by 2025, it is expected it will take the it will register actually. It will take the market share of 5% in the entire e-com payment method. So why is it being told Gen Z or Generation Z is avoiding credit cards? That's very interesting aspect. BNPL platform Zestmoney in India has experienced 300% growth in last year. UK customers are looking to ditch credit cards. That's another news we have seen. And banks are also trying to add up buy now pay later in association with fintech to compete with the different market players. So Gen Z and millennials, they contributed to the highest adoption in terms of the BNPL transactions of $100 billion. And the key reasons behind of adopting BNPL is pretty simple. It's frictionless, it's on-the-fly customer experience, and it offers a frictionless journey. There's no interest or fees in most of the cases, unlike credit cards. So we can see a comparison of BNPL and traditional credit cards here. So the key attributes of BNPL offer is a very real-time approval process, and mostly it's interest-free plans. So this is where it is actually ahead of cards in terms of volumes and transactions, given the it started just 1 or 2 years back. And today, 79% of e-commerce payments are made with APM or alternative payment method, and cards contributed 21%. So we can see how consumers are adopting bank transfer, e-wallet, or BNPL in their payment method or in their checkout process. So if you can see a few big names of BNPL landscape, of course, Klarna is one of the big names, then Affirm, Afterpay, and Split. So Klarna started its journey back in 2009, and that is the pioneer in this space, and the rest followed them. So Klarna is one of the biggest player right now, but interestingly, since the market of different markets are really different. So in Indonesia, India, and even in Philippines, new market players are coming. So we can see the names here, in how it is booming in different regions like Europe, Australia, Middle East, and Latin America and India. So it's just quite evident as a payment method, it has got significant traction and it has got significant GMV. So the customer journey is very simple. Customer choose a product on their desired website and they choose the product, and that when they check out, they choose the pay later option, and instantly they get the approval and customer gets the product at home by next day, and the payment is deducted from the card or the bank account automatically in the agreed dates. So PayPal also recently launched buy now pay later. So you can see how it offered the entire journey in just 4 simple steps. So the reason Gen Z or millennials are avoiding credit cards and adopting BNPL, one of the key reasons you can see is to avoid the interest rate. And sometimes they are not being able to buy things within their budget. So BNPL enables them to buy their products instantly. So these two are very big reasons. And number 3, in BNPL, unlike credit cards, there's a small soft credit check is taking place. So customer actually don't need to provide a lot of documents or bunch of documents. So customer can get this absolutely digital journey. So it's quite easier to make payment, and it's very flexible, and sometimes it doesn't have the interest rate, and sometimes it offers a very seamless experience. So if we look into our market, for Bangladesh market, আমাদের এখন around 6 লক্ষ ক্রেডিট কার্ড ইউজার আছে, ইউনিক ইউজার, যারা 18 লক্ষ বা 17 বা 18 লক্ষ ক্রেডিট কার্ড ইউজ করে, because a single customer has multiple cards. And we have seen for the decades different electronics brand আমরা দেখেছি ইনস্টলমেন্ট ড্রিভেন পেমেন্ট ফ্যাসিলিটি অফার করে আসছে, বাট হুইচ ইজ অ্যাবসলিউটলি ম্যানুয়াল ইন্টারভেনশন ড্রিভেন। এখানে কাস্টমারকে প্রচুর ডকুমেন্ট দিতে হয় এবং যার গ্যারান্টার ইস্যু চলে আসে, গ্যারান্টার সাবমিট করতে হয়, যেটা অনেক কাস্টমাররা দিতে পারে না বা দিতে চায় না। সো দেখা যাচ্ছে আমাদের মার্কেটটা কতটা, দ্যাটস এ ভেরি বিগ মার্কেট। এবং আমরা যদি দেখি ইলেকট্রনিক্স এবং ই কমার্স মার্কেট সাইজ অফ বাংলাদেশের যে কনজিউমার সাইডে যদি আমরা বলি হ্যান্ডসেট সহ, it's around 4 billion plus, 4 billion USD plus market size. So whereas only unique user যদি আমরা বলি ক্রেডিট কার্ডে 6 to 7 lakh, so there is a huge untapped market যারা এখনো ক্রেডিট কার্ড পাচ্ছে না, and there is a teen issue is also there. I mean, tax identification number ছাড়া কিন্তু ক্রেডিট কার্ড নেওয়া যায় না। So while these barriers are prevailing, this can open up new opportunities for the marketplaces, e-commerce marketplaces, digital platforms, and fintechs who want to come to this space. Because since these electronics brands have been offering this embedded payment product for long, so 800 product is not necessary that somebody needs a formal lending license, because otherwise that would not have taken place. So fintech this is something like it's nothing but a reselling sort of thing. They can buy the products from the different brands and they can sell on the installments. আমরা যদি একটা ইউজ কেস দেখি Dana, how we are helping right now, I can't mention the names. We are working with 2 partners in this BNPL space. One is a brand and another is one is fintech. So we are enabling them to launch BNPL very soon. So we are enabling them with our 4 APIs and engines. One is our Dana BNPL app and Dana risk scoring API that helps the brands or fintech to instantly look at the risk point or the credit scores based on the device data and transaction history and financial psychology test. We have also product management portal for the brands so that they can upload the products and track the different orders through the successful BNPL applications. And there's an underwriting dashboard for the lenders or the BNPL providers. Even bank can also launch the similar product actually like other markets. So we have also built the underwriting platform for also BNPL provider. So the whole journey is very seamless and it is absolutely paperless. So the key data points we try to pick is transaction SMS, device data, and psychometric data. And through the platform, some income information or salary information of the employees come through. And there are also traditional data points that customer can share. Of course, everything happens based on customer consent. So as I said, customer is applying from their current debt, and customer will put necessary data or answer a couple of questions, and BNPL provider gets the applications and they can approve the facility instantly, and customer is paying on the due date. So let's look at the journey, how it goes. So that was the customer journey, and here is the BNPL provider's journey. So the brands, the fintechs, they can see the whole journey here, and brands can upload the products, and then they can check the applications instantly and score points, and they can approve the applications instantly. So the key impact for the brands and fintech that BNPL can bring, number one is a frictionless customer experience. Number two is a scalable business model. This is, and the brands and fintech that can scale their GMV and total payment value, or TPV, to the next level. And they can also tap the massive untapped customers very easily. So this is the time for the markets to adopt this sort of propositions. And we believe actually this will open up the new opportunities, and customers will also have a new payment method or embedded finance tool. Thank you very much for your patient hearing and time.